case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1992, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case called INDOPCO Inc. v. Commissioner, which revolved around the concept of businesses being able to deduct ordinary and necessary expenses from their taxable income, but not expenses considered capital in nature. National Starch, a producer and seller of adhesives, starches, and specialty chemical products, incurred $2,225,586 in professional expenses for investment banking fees during a friendly takeover by Unilever. National Starch attempted to deduct these expenses as ordinary and necessary business expenses, but the Commissioner of Internal Revenue opposed this action. Both the Tax Court and the Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit ruled against National Starch, prompting the Supreme Court to step in and determine if the expenses were indeed deductible. The crux of the dispute was whether the expenses resulted in benefits to National Starch, such as access to additional resources and technology, potential synergies, and elimination of expenses connected with being a publicly traded company. Justice Blackmun, writing for the majority, ultimately concluded that the professional expenses in question were not deductible under Section 162(a) of the Internal Revenue Code. The court determined that the expenses incurred by National Starch during its friendly takeover by Unilever were not deductible under Section 162(a), and instead must be treated as capital expenditures. The reasoning behind this decision was based on the fact that these expenses benefited National Starch and altered its corporate structure, which are typical characteristics of capital expenses.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.